Hello friends, thank you for checking out this video. In this video, I would like to share how I built this deck. This is the biggest project I've done as DIY at home, so you will find some or a lot mistakes. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section. We will make this into 3 parts and I will do my best to compress as much information I can into these videos. Part 1 will be removing the old wood, planning, ordering the composite decking material, and finally receiving the delivery. Second part, that's where the fun begins. We'll work on building the deck framing. In third part, we'll install the TREX Composite boards. A lot more fun. Can't wait, so let's get this started. Welcome back. We'll start removing the old wood from the west side of the deck. When we bought this house, we discovered that there is a skunk living bottom of the deck. How do we know? Our dog got sprayed and we had to deal with it. Perhaps story for another day. Our twins have been told not to come outside and they are already testing how far they can go. Yep, it's going to be fun. Here we are after 11 days. Stuff is gone. You know, I always wonder what's under that board. We're gonna find out today. Man, looks like I found a treasure. This is what we're dealing with. It's completely flat. Oh man. We got some cleanup to do. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking some videos does not need to be in 4K. This part, definitely one of them, but it is what it is. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Look at that, we made a progress. Here I'm cutting the wood in small pieces so we can transport it using our car. Here we're putting 1/4 of an inch mesh around the deck so no skunk or any other creature could get under the deck. We would love to hear your thoughts on this. We're done with the measuring and now we're ready to order the materials for the decking. We shopped around and this is what we think is the best deal for us. And the order is here. Now finally we can start the real work. So excited. That is it for part 1. Next, in part 2, we will work on the frame. Speaking of that, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, click the bell icon to get new video updates, and please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching today's video.